guys, welcome. My name is Elegant, alright? And I am a media guy. I function in so many aspects of the media and entertainment industry. And one of the things I do very well is that I sing. Just for your information, on the 15th of December 2024, I am all set to release my album. Okay, so the album is made up of 15 hit tracks. And talking about hit tracks, one of the hit tracks in the album is titled Not Alone. So today we officially open the Not Alone Open Verse Challenge. Alright, so have a listen to it.
I'm no good on my own. I can't take this alone. I'm no good. I'm no good. I'm no good on my own.
Alright, so I believe that you already have a clue of what we are trying to do here. So it's an open verse challenge. So guys, what that means is that you have an opportunity to do your best in the song. So are you a dope artist? Are you a rapper, a singer, or whatever genre of song you do? You feel like you can jump on the verse of Not Alone by Elegant. Alright, so it's your opportunity to not just sing, but to be on your way to winning yourself a recording contract deal worth over 500,000 naira, courtesy Elegant Empire Music. It's as simple as that. So guys, all you have to do to be a part of this open verse challenge is just drop a DM to us, contact us via whatever channel that you are listening from, and we are going to send you the song and you do your best. Record yourself singing your verse on the song and send it to us. We are going to upload it on our channel. The person with the highest comments and likes will be performing live together with us on the album listening party. And then you are going to be walking away with a whopping contract deal worth over 500,000 naira cash. See guys, this is no joke. Alright, so if you think that this is more like a joke or a prank, I am sorry for you. Maybe you're just about to make the biggest mistake of your life by not being a part of this open verse challenge. Come and show yourself that you are a dope artist, whoever you are. You, yes you, can win yourself a whooping contract deal worth over 500,000 naira by just doing a verse on this song. So good luck to you and congratulations to whoever that will be picked. So ladies and gentlemen, listen attentively. Do not forget, entry for artists to submit and send in their content ends on the 30th of November. So from now till 30th of November, you have the opportunity to do your own verse on the song titled Not Alone by Elegant. Alright, so once you do your entry, send it to us on WhatsApp. Alright, send your entry to us on WhatsApp and we are going to upload it on our social media handles. Now, how are we going to select the winner? The artist with the highest engagement, which is the highest comments, likes, shares, would automatically go away with 500,000 naira worth of contract deal, courtesy Elegant Empire Music. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of this. Alright, so lastly, on Saturday 14th of December, we are going to officially announce the winner, the artists who have officially won the Not Alone Open Verse Challenge. And that artist would automatically be on his way to performing live at the album listening party and the date night with Elegant, which is happening on Sunday 15th of December 2024. And also, that artist would be given a contract deal that is worth over 500,000 naira. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, is this not a better way to start your 2025 in a grand style? Imagine if you are the winner of this open verse challenge. It's very simple, just very simple. Hop on this track, submit your entry, do your best, and let us make history together.
I'm no good on my own. I can't take this alone.